Breakups are never easy, but it can be harder to walk away from a toxic relationship for good. You may keep going back to your partner even after you know that they have treated you wrong. Sometimes, walking away is the only way to go, even if it hurts. In this video, we will discuss 5 steps to walk away from a toxic relationship for good. Number 1, give yourself permission to leave. It's not easy to leave a relationship, especially if it was toxic. You may feel guilty or like you're letting someone down, but you have to give yourself permission to leave. You deserve to be happy and healthy, and that means ending toxic relationships. It may be hard to let go of someone, but you have to do what's best for you. Don't let anyone guilt you into staying in a relationship that isn't right for you. You deserve to be happy and healthy, and that means sometimes saying goodbye to toxic relationships. No. 2, understand that healing takes time. There is no quick fix when it comes to healing from a toxic relationship. It takes time to process your emotions and move on. Be patient with yourself and allow yourself time to grieve the loss of the relationship. Talk to friends or family about how you're feeling or seek professional help. Remember that you're not alone and there are people who care about you and want to help. You should also remember that everyone heals at their own pace. Don't compare your progress to others or expect yourself to bounce back quickly. Take all the time you need to heal, and you won't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Healing from a toxic relationship takes time, but with patience and self-compassion, you can get through it. Allow yourself to feel your emotions and lean on your support system. Don't be afraid to seek professional help either. With time, you will heal and move forward. Number 3, focus on self-care. When you're going through a breakup, it's important to take care of yourself. This means eating healthy, exercising, and getting enough sleep. It can also mean taking some time for yourself to do things you enjoy. Taking care of yourself physically and emotionally will help you heal and move on from the toxic relationship. You may be tempted to turn to unhealthy habits such as overeating, drinking, or staying up late, but these will only make things worse. Instead, focus on taking care of your body and mind. Eat nutritious meals, get regular exercise, and avoid too much caffeine or alcohol. These simple steps can make a big difference in how you feel. In addition to taking care of your physical health, it's also important to take care of your emotional health. Make sure you have a support system of friends and family you can rely on. Talk to them about how you're feeling and don't be afraid to ask for help. Taking care of yourself is essential when going through a breakup. It may be difficult at first, but it will help you heal and move on in the long run. No. 4, don't look back. Moving on from a toxic relationship can be challenging, but it's important to remember that looking back won't help you move forward. You may be tempted to check up on your ex or stalk them on social media, but this will only cause more pain and make it harder to move on. Instead, focus on the positive aspects of your life and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Try new hobbies, reconnect with old friends, or plan a trip. There are so many things you can do to keep yourself busy and focus on the bright side of life. Additionally, it's important to avoid contact with your ex as much as possible. This may mean blocking them on social media or changing your phone number. It may be difficult, but it's necessary to move on. If you must interact with them, keep it civil and brief. Remember, you're not responsible for their actions and you shouldn't feel guilty for moving on. Looking back won't help you move forward. So, focus on the positive aspects of your life and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. No. 5, seek support. It can be helpful to talk to someone about what you're going through. This could be a friend, family member, or therapist. Talking about your feelings can help you process them and feel less overwhelmed. You may also want to consider joining a support group. This is a great way to connect with others who understand what you're going through. Support groups can provide a safe space to share your feelings and get advice from others. Remember that you're not alone. There are people who care about you and want to help. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask for support. Talking about your experience can be incredibly therapeutic and empowering. It helps to express and process your emotions in a safe environment. Support groups and therapy can provide valuable tools and coping mechanisms to help you heal and move forward. Seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. It takes courage to open up and share your vulnerabilities, but it's an essential step towards healing and growth. Do you not hesitate to reach out and connect with those who can help you on your journey towards recovery? In conclusion, breaking up with someone can be one of the hardest things you ever have to do. It may seem impossible to walk away from a toxic relationship, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. With the right support and self-care, you can get through this difficult time. Give yourself permission to leave. Understand that healing takes time. Focus on self-care. Don't look back and seek support. By following these 5 steps, you can move forward in your life and create a brighter future for yourself. Remember to be kind to yourself and take all the time you need to heal. With time, you will get through this. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with friends that might find insight in this too. Make sure to subscribe for more content. All the references used are added in the description box below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.